People go crazy over international travel. But India has some places that'll make you question your travel goals. This is a road trip to the east of Sikkim to the hidden Nathang Valley and the old Silk Route that runs right along the edge of China. We took travel permit from Gangtok and started heading east on Nathula Road. We stopped at Changu Lake for a bit. In winter, this lake is completely frozen. But now it's moving again. Something about that feels familiar, like how we go through phases too. But it all shifts eventually. Not when you want it to, just when it's time. We kept driving and then another lake just showed up out of nowhere. Honestly, this doesn't even look like India anymore. The landscape changed so fast. No trees, barely any people, just empty hills and this massive lake that looks like it belongs in another country.
I should have known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar top, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line. But I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I?
And this one is called the Elephant Lake. It's also called Kupup Lake. It's the third lake we've crossed in our journey. And just like that, we've reached Nathang Valley. Population? Barely any. It's the kind of place where you don't just hear the silence, you feel it. Empty roads, shuttered windows. No shopkeepers, no tourists. Just a quiet valley tucked deep into the hills. It almost feels like time forgot about this place. Or maybe this place just chose not to keep up. As we drove out of Nathang Valley, army camps start showing up every few minutes. That subtle but constant presence of the military that never lets you forget that we are at the border of India and China. We passed soldiers fixing cables, adjusting roadblocks, just going about their day like it's normal to be stationed this high up in the clouds, living where even trees struggle to grow.
Is there room for us both on the same way? Nothing breaks that clearly when there's love on the line. I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I should have known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar top, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line.
We left Nathang Valley behind, that quiet little world tucked into the hills, and kept driving east. Somewhere along the way, my phone switched to China Standard Time. Just like that, 2 hours ahead. That's how close we were to the border. Just a quiet, uneasy knowing that another country is just on the other side. There's something strange about driving so close to a border like this. You start thinking about how invisible lines control everything. Who gets to go where, who gets to stay, and who doesn't even realize how fragile all this is. And now we started driving towards the old Silk Route. Once full of life and trade, now quiet, mostly forgotten.
You that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line. But I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Why would I?
This is the old Silk Route. At one time, this narrow strip of winding road was a lifeline. It was the main route of trade between Tibet and Sikkim. But time shifted. Tibet was seized and Sikkim became a part of India. And just like that, this ancient trade route faded out of relevance. It's strange driving on a road that once connected worlds and now divides them. It's easy to think everything is urgent, that we have to figure it all out, fix everything, be somewhere, become something. Empires fell, borders changed. You start to realize how fragile everything is. It makes you wonder why we make life so heavy. Because sometimes the most human thing you can do is to stop trying so hard and just live. And maybe that's enough. We roll back into Signal. The phone starts buzzing. Life resumes, but something feels different.